A recent study in the Journal of Pharmaceutical Policy and Practice reveals alarming statistics about the sale of unapproved and banned fixed-dose combination (FDC) antibiotics in India. In 2020, 60.5% of FDC's 239 formulations were unapproved and 9.9%, 39 formulations, were banned. The study raises concerns about antibiotic resistance in India. The pharmaceutical industry's use of FDCs, often lacking medical rationale, allows them to evade drug price control laws. Despite regulations, state drug controllers continue to issue manufacturing licenses for unapproved FDCs, highlighting regulatory failures over 42 years. The researchers emphasize the urgent need for action to address the issue and its potential contribution to antibiotic resistance.
Sri Lanka's President, Ranil Wickremesinghe, has revived the proposal for land connectivity with India, suggesting a bridge linking Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu to Talamnar in the northern province of Sri Lanka. The idea aims at regional economic integration and growth opportunities. Despite opposition from groups opposing Sinhalese Buddhists, the concept of land connectivity continues, with a feasibility study mentioned in a joint statement after a meeting between Wickremesinghe and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The article highlights the need for deeper infrastructure collaboration, citing delays in projects like connecting electricity networks and slow progress in the India-Sri Lanka Free Trade Agreement.
Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, DMK, Member of Parliament, S. Senthilkumar, faced criticism for his disparaging remarks about North Indian states in the Lok Sabha, which were later expunged from records. The comments implied a north-south political divide based on recent election outcomes. The article condemns such divisive rhetoric and stresses the need to address legitimate concerns of regional imbalances, economic disparities, and demographic variations in a respectful and informed manner. It highlights the importance of reconciling these issues for the country's progress and warns against perpetuating acrimony as discussions on nationwide delimitation and development gaps continue.
The World Meteorological Organization's report, The Global Climate 2011 to 2020, reveals that glaciers worldwide thinned by approximately 1 meter annually from 2011 to 2020 due to climate change. The report emphasizes significant regional variability but notes an overall trend of shrinking glaciers globally. Glaciers in Africa, particularly on the Rangeri Mountains, Mount Kenya, and Kilimanjaro, are projected to disappear by 2030 to 2040. The report warns of growing proglacial lakes and the increased likelihood of glacier lake outburst floods, GLOFs, citing the Uttarakhand floods of June 2013 as an example. It underscores the urgent need for monitoring, early warning systems, and comprehensive risk assessments to address the impact of glacier loss.
Cyclone Ma caused severe flooding in Chennai, India, as it lingered off the coast for about 16 hours, bringing torrential rains. The cyclone made landfall in Andhra Pradesh, leading to the evacuation of thousands and causing widespread devastation in districts like Nellore, Tirupati, Guntur, and others. Farmers faced substantial losses, with standing crops inundated, and estimates suggest 70,000 hectares of crops were affected in Bapatla alone. The cyclone triggered memories of the 2015 Chennai floods, raising concerns about the city's infrastructure preparedness. The state sought 5,060 crores rupees, $670 million, in interim relief from the central government.